Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. First of all, apologies for the bad hair day. It's still wet, so I haven't straightened it yet, so it looks awful, but at least it's clean. So, couple of things. I've got a couple of happy mails, which is lovely, but I want to apologise. I've hurt my wrist. I don't quite know how I've done it. It happened, woke up one morning and it was really sore. So whether I laid awkwardly on it in the night and I've hurt the tendons, I don't know. That's probably just my body's saying, Christ, lose weight for goodness sake, because just laying on your arm has killed it. So that'll be happening very soon. I'll get back on the diet. But yeah, so crocheting hurts at the moment. Everything hurts. Can't grip anything. Can't try and get out of the bath earlier was a bit funny because I only had one arm. But yeah, so I will be back up to speed hopefully within a day or so. But just one thing after another, isn't it? I've got to get like illnesses and lurgies and injuries. What's going on? Hurt myself on the door. Look at that. Everything's out to get me. Not that I'm paranoid. Cheers everyone. I've got a nice cup of tea at least. So, got a couple of happy mails. That was at least nice. I got two actually. This one I've actually taken out the box. Oh no, sorry, pack, and I can't find the pack now. But I got two really lovely Caron Simply Soft in this really lovely peach colour. I know I said before that I love to try Caron Simply Soft, and I did get some from Glenda from Creative Grandma. She sent me kind of a blue and green type fleck one, but we can get it in our shops, well, Hobbycraft, but it tends to be a bit on the expensive side. Obviously you are all more familiar with this than I am, but for my UK people who maybe not, it's a 4 weight and 170.1 grams, which is a very strange kettle of fish. It's 315 yards or 288 meters. But isn't it a beautiful colour? I love the way they wind their ball. It's sort of quite distinctive, isn't it? Caron, the way they... Is it Caron? I want to say Caron, but everybody says Caron. So it just, I figured maybe it is. But I think there might be this scarf pattern on the inside. Is that knitted? Let's have a look. Whoa. No, it looks like a crochet pattern. It might be knitted. If it is, it's one of those lacy knits. But that's lovely. Thank you very much. And that was sent to me by one of my subscribers called Kelly, I think her name is. Kel Crochet sent me that. Thank you so much, Kel. Yeah, I don't know what I did with the envelope, but yeah, Kel Crochet. And I also got another one from another subscriber who is called Forever Crochet. Sorry, still got the tickle. And she sent me a couple of balls, well, a couple of skeins. Oh, whoopsie, don't fall on the floor. Of Scarfy. It wants to fall down. Scarfy yarn. Lion Brand Scarfy. It kind of came unravelled a little bit from how it should look in the package. That's probably a better way of showing it. But this is a lovely blackened, kind of fuchsia pink colour. It's really pretty. So let me see if I can find the info for Scarfy. You've probably all seen Scarfy hundreds of times. It's 150 grams, 285 meters, 312 yards. But it's lovely and soft. This is gorgeous. Lovely colours. And I did actually have some turquoise Scarfy. It's got turquoise and black. And this is a very similar one, but it's red. And it's, again, it come a bit open in the packaging, but it's red and black, and so obviously all of the information is exactly the same. I'm not familiar with these labels, whether they have a name for a colour on them or not, or just a number. But this is a bulky 5 Scarfy, which we would call a chunky in the UK. It's got colour, but 205. So nothing pretty there to sort of give you a colourway. And the pink one is 213. So aren't they lovely? They're lovely and soft. Look forward to making something with those. Kind of similar, but I love the pink. She said in the little note that she sent me that she didn't know if I was into the kind of bright pinks, so she put the red in. But yeah, gotta have a bit of pink, haven't you? Gotta have a bit of girliness. But I shall look forward to using those. Don't know what to make. A kind of probably a scarf. I don't know, or a shawlette or something. I'm not sure how much. That's actually a nice pattern. That one there. Might have a little look into that. But thank you, Forever Crochet, and oh, turn my spotlight off. And Kelly. Thank you very much. I feel very spoiled. Thank you. And hopefully I'll be back up and running very, very soon. I know I've got so many things that I want to do, but I've kind of, although I can hold that T, I can't grip anything. I can't close it there without getting pain all around this area here. Honestly, it must just be tendons. I don't know what else it could be. I went to bed right and I woke up in agony, and it was like it all day yesterday. It's a little bit easier today, so hopefully in a day or so it'll be gone. But I can hold something like that, but I just can't close it. Can't kind of grip anything, so I'd have to close my hand in. If I get to there, it starts to hurt. So obviously don't do that. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back with you soon. Take care and see you soon.